My name is Rachel Weld Newton, and I'm an architect, and I'm moving into the field of fine jewelry, working in 18 karat yellow gold and small melee diamonds for now. As an architect, you work predominantly on a computer, and you design beautiful spaces, and you can incorporate a beautiful fireplace. But in jewelry, you get to work with fire, the actual essence of it, and you use it to manipulate metals in your hands, and you soften it, and you bend it, and you weld it, solder one piece to another. Much more satisfying than moving lines around on a computer. But there's something powerful about the fire and working with your hands.